Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing like a chill back makeup tutorial because on my edges video, I did makeup and it had like freckles and it was really like pink and I had highlight, but it wasn't like too much, but it looked quite nice. And so many people are asking me how, like the makeup that I used, what highlighter, what blush and all of that. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys what I did.
Let her go, yeah, let her go, whoa, let her go, yeah, she a hoe, whoa, let her go, whoa, let her go, yeah, let her go, whoa, she a hoe, yeah, let her go, whoa, let her go, yeah, she a hoe.
So I used my MAC foundation, but only one pump. It's quite dark because I lost my tan, but yeah. Then I'm gonna get my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is so good. I got this from a hair shop not long ago. This is what I didn't use this last time. I used another concealer, but I like this one way better. I'm gonna blend the concealer under my eyes and everywhere else. Oh my god, my ice cream is melting. I'm gonna take my powder. Oh, good. So I'm gonna put powder. I'm gonna put my ice cream down. This is so unorganized. So I'm gonna get my powder. I dipped it in here. I'm so bad at doing YouTube. What the hell? I'm gonna, yeah. So whilst my face is baking, I need to finish my ice cream. I'm gonna get this broken thing. I need a new one. What the hell? I've been using this for ages. I hit pan there, I hit pan there, and I took out the highlighter there. It was nearly finished anyway, but I hit pan. Contour or bronze, same thing. There. So I bronzed my face and I'm gonna bronze my forehead. Ooh. This, like, I can tell when the makeup is gonna be good, and right now I feel like it's gonna be good. I'm gonna wipe off the bake. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna use setting spray, even though I'm not finished. I'm gonna use setting spray. Because I like my makeup dewy, kind of dry. I'm gonna take this side of the double-sided brush, blush side. And for blush, I use this. It's the Revolution Blush Palette Blush Queen. Yeah. Ah! So I dip into here. I dip into here, I dip into here. I dip into almost all of them basically. Just dip into the ones I like. and like swivel round. And then I love blush, so I pack it on. For freckles, I use my eyebrow pomade and this brush, which is like that. So I dip it in and literally just draw dots on my face. Then I take powder and put powder on. Thank you guys so much for 6,000 views on my edges tutorial. I am so thankful. Oh my god. Bitch, I don't know you. Shawamsa. I hope the freckles are still there. Well, they should be. Can't brush them off, can you? So now I'm gonna use this brush. This is the brush I use for highlighter, and the highlighter I use is in this palette. It's called Revolution Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold, and it looks like this. Wait, there. Look how beautiful it is. Look at it. Look at how beautiful this masterpiece is. I use this color because this color is too dark for my skin tone. I use the golden color in the palette. I'm going to put a little bit on the tip of the nose. Oh my god, there's a lot. And a little bit at the top of my lip. And a little bit in my eye. Just brush off the powder. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So I also like to highlight my chin now. I never did before. Now I do. And like, oh my god. Oh my god. And like blend out the chin. Yeah. And then mascara. This mascara, I remember saying to you guys, oh my god, all mascaras are the same. I don't understand, like there's no difference. There is a difference. There is a difference. So this is only $2.99. $2.99. Your girl's saving you money. Yeah, I'm saving you guys a lot of money, and it's curved. It's so this is cool, and I've used this before, but I stopped using it because I saw these stupid Primark ones which were £1. Oh, let me save £2 only. No, this, I went back to using this and I was like, oh my god, this is so good. This is so good. This is just mascara. This is mascara that will actually make your lashes look so long, but it's not waterproof. Oh well. You can see a difference in my face as well. But yeah, this is a really good mascara. Yeah, got a little bit on my eyelids, but I'll fix that later. For lips, I get lip gloss. It's clear. And this is the makeup. It's all done. Oh my god. Look at the highlight. That's enough now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos on my channel. Bye bye.